welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lauren. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I did this look, and if you want to see on how I did this, just keep on watching. So I already moisturized my face, so now I will be putting on primer. So after priming my face, I'm gonna be doing my foundation, and for this look, I'm using this Maybelline Dream Satin foundation. I'm just using my beauty blender. This one is from Glad King. So the next step is I will be applying my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Moyen. So to blend my concealer, I will just be using the other side of this. Next is I'm using my Nichido final powder in the shade Natural. So I'm using my Brow for my brows. So I'm done with my brows. Next thing that I will be doing is my eye makeup. I am putting on some concealer. So for this look, I will be using my Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Kit in number 1. First is I will use this. And then the next shade that I will use is this. So next is I'm using this one from Nichido. And then I'm using this one. And I will just blend it. Then blend it again. I'll also be putting here. So for my eyeliner, I will be using my Ilahui Natural Lasting Eyeliner. I don't really use eyeliner, so yeah, I'll be right back. So I'm done with my eyeliner, and I have put on my falsies as well. For my mascara, I will be using this They're Real mascara from Benefit. So I'm done with my eye makeup. Next thing that I will be doing is contour. I will be using this contour stick from Ilahui. And I will just blend this using the same blender. I will be using this side. For my blush, I will be using this one. For my highlight, I will be using this Ilahui contour stick again. I will blend it using my hands na lang. I'm using my highbrow sa brow bone. It's from Benefit. For my lipstick, I will be using my Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Pretty Please. So there you go, I'm done with the makeup, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this a big thumbs up if you did, and make sure to subscribe to my channel before leaving. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!